Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and I am here now with my saga of test tube beauty box. A new beauty test tube, whatever. But anyway, I had subscribed for a year. Well before the year was up, I said that I wanted to cancel my subscription, and they were a little bordering on rude, the person who wrote back and said, okay, your subscription is canceled. I said, when is my next beauty box? Because I think there should be another one left on my yearly subscription. And she wrote back, well, you did unsubscribe, didn't you? Well, that's not what I was looking for. So needless to say, I was not happy with Beauty Test Tube. So over here is the last box that I was owed out of my subscription. It was January. And then there is this one that is March, and they charged my bank account $192 for another year. And I did get a refund, but in the interim, they had sent me a March box. And they did not quibble because I did have save your emails when you cancel your subscriptions. That's what I can advise you of. I had saved all of those emails and earmarked them into a file on my computer, on my email, which is, I have a Comcast email address and I have a Gmail. So they're independent of the laptop that is now dead. So I was able to pull up those cancellation emails and one from them that said, thank you, your subscription is canceled. So I sent them that and said, what's up? Why did you charge me again for another year? And they did refund my money within a couple days. So that was taken care of. But not everybody has the money sitting around. I certainly don't, for someone to take almost $200 from my account. So anyway, now that student loans are starting up again, I'll be paying that for the rest of my life. That's a whole nother ball game. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and unbox both of these. I have mixed feelings about them, not because of Beauty Test Tube, but I wasn't wowed by everything that we got here, but I didn't take a close enough look to really know. Okay, so everything I just said, forget that I said it. I actually really like quite a few items in here and am excited to try them. So first, there is this Lymphospheric Vitamin C dietary supplement utilizing liposomal encapsulation technology. Because you'll believe anything. Just when stuff hits the acid in your stomach, everything changes. But this is sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and it's 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. Now, I am definitely a believer in vitamin C, so I will probably give these a try. It's 30 packets, and you mix it with water, and it's supposed to be outstanding. Then there is this Neostrata Comprehensive Retinol Eye Cream. I do use a Retinol Eye Cream, which I really like, but it's starting to run out, and I forgot to bring it down with me when I moved downstairs for my recovery. That's a whole nother story. Anyway, I will use this with joy. It's intensive renewal, whatever. It's a half an ounce of eye cream, which is about the normal amount in an eye cream. And Neostrata, I believe, is a very expensive brand. Then there's this giant box from Grande, and it's a Pre-Mascara Lengthening Thickener. I will try this because... Oh, and it's infused with mini fibers. Okay, I'll try this because I am trying really hard to find a less expensive brand for my beloved Thrive mascara. And if this does half of what that did as a pre-mascara lengthener, then I'll be all set. So, and this is big and heavy, so it'll probably last quite a while. Then they put something that's one of my favorite things in here, and it is this Onekind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Can I tell you how much I love this? I love it so much that I bought another tube on Ipsy after I got a tube in Ipsy, and wow, it's really, really nice. I think a lot of skin would do well with this. It's 1.7 ounces, by the way. I think even if you have oily skin, it wouldn't make you too oily. So anyway, that is like one of my favorite things. And that goes for like $30, I think. This is a peel-off mask by Miss Spa. It's Sleeping Bunny certified. It's got the Leaping Bunny on it. It's volcanic ash and orange oil. Double detox. You leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it's dried completely, and then gently peel it off. I'm not a huge fan of peel-off masks, but I will definitely give that a try because that sounds like it would be really nice. I did not get the box open on this. I would have had to be off camera for quite a while trying to get it open. It's like taped on both ends. But anyway, this is from Anna Kadar. It's one of my favorite brands of lip product. And it is Lip Balance Color Chemistry Lip Balm. Always happy to get a lip balm. Then there is this lip pencil by Doll 10. I believe they are cruelty free. Anyway, it says Lip Genius lip liner, and I'm not positive that they're cruelty free. I did write to them once to ask them, and they never got back to me. I guess I'm just not big enough and important enough for them to respond to. So I do like, if the color is like the end here, I do like that. So that'd be nice. And finally, there's a weird bar of soap. Whoops, there goes the lip liner. Oh, and I can't pick up anything from the floor. Shit. I'll have to get my son to get that. Anyway, this is a sponge with soap. Mother of pearl lightning effect. What? Yeah, I'll have to read more about this before I use it. It may be a body thing because it's a giant whipping bar of soap, but it's nice to get that. Whoops, there goes card I can't pick up. I can't pick anything off the floor because I'm in my husband's wheelchair and he's 6'4", so my feet don't even hit the ground. I have a grabber, but these things are too small, I think, for my grabber. Shoot. Anyway, I will try to get those things off the floor with my grabber, and I'll move on to the next box. Okay, so part 2. Here is the March beauty box. Another bunch of this lipospheric. This one is glutathione. It's a dietary supplement, and it has 450 milligrams of citria, glutathione, and 1,000 milligrams of phospholipids. And I would have to do more research before I actually use this. Then I got this gigantic whipping tube of David's Sensitive Whitening Premium Toothpaste. It is in a metal tube, so it comes with a key that you attach to the end, and you can roll it up so you get every last bit out. And I do like the metal tube a little better than worrying about plastic. So, although I don't think this is recyclable, I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore. I know this is cruelty-free. It's fluoride-free, sulfate-free, natural peppermint. Hopefully not the kind that burns your mouth, because I'm not a fan of peppermint. And if you just watched my Walmart beauty box unboxing, you would have seen that I got... Shoot, this has a cut that goes through the label right down to the plastic. I'm going to have to take a close look at this and make sure it doesn't need replacing. I don't think they'd replace it for me, though, because they kind of hate my guts right now. So anyway, yeah, Beauty Test Tube, their customer service really kind of sucks. They were very rude to me. So it doesn't, it feels like the abrasion goes through the bottle, through the first layer. It feels pretty firm, so I think it's going to be okay. If not, I can pour it into something else. When I start using it, it might start leaking, who knows. But I'm not going to be using this until I use up the little ones that's in my Walmart box. And I won't be using any of it until I use up something else I brought down here. So, okay, next thing is nail polish. Always happy to get nail polish. Even though I don't have any nail polish on currently. I'm just giving my nails a break because they are starting to peel. I had to stop taking my hair and nail vitamin. Ooh, I like this. My hair and nail vitamin because it was because of my stomach being off. I had to give it a break. This is really pretty. It's like a maroon color with a ton of shiny stuff in it. I like that. Oh, and it says cruelty free on the box and vegan, and it's called Lights Lacquer. So the last 3 items of the box are a Luxie brush. It is a kabuki brush, but it's nice and thick, and I think it'll make a nice foundation smoothing brush. Again, I'll look these prices up for you guys. The only thing I don't like is it's got an awfully large handle, which makes it hard to store in my brush holder. So there are 2 items left. One of them is Peter Thomas Roth Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream with 21 peptides and my neuro friggin' I don't know. But anyway, it's a little jar that looks to be, well, it's half an ounce, which is typical for eye cream. But yeah, I'll use it, and I won't repurchase it even if I love it because it's not cruelty free. Okay, this is something I cannot use, and I already know this. I have high blood pressure. These are energy patches you put on, and they supposedly wake you up and give you lots of energy. I can't use it because I have high blood pressure, and it's a power-up patch, provides sustained energy with a boost of antioxidants from ginseng and guarana. I cannot have products that have ginseng, and anyone with high blood pressure should not have products with ginseng in them. I have a whole list of items and an entire bag of stuff that I brought down here to start using to use up for my team project pan. And, and I'll give you more details when I get there. I did have my son get my gram scale because none of the stuff is weighed. I just gathered it all up and put it in this bag. And I was like, crap, I can't see through everything. So obviously I have to weigh things, and I'll try to bring updates for my projects about every 3 months, which is better than it has been. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.